Good evening, everyone. Ken Henderson from Fabrica Benedicta. And I just wanted to share with you a quick little tip. So when I'm working in the workshop, and right now I'm working on my nail gun holder and nail gun organizer, and I've got these 3 small pieces of 1/4 inch ply that I need to trim. I need to make a trim off this side of them. They're all going to be exactly the same. So instead of making 3 different cuts, what I like to do is take a little bit of this blue tape and tape it together. And I will take a piece and lay it down on the table, just like that, and get it off my finger, stack it nice and straight and even as I can possibly get, hold it, push it down on the tape. This tape is pretty sticky, but the good thing about this blue tape is it comes off really easy. So I've got that stuck down, and then I'm gonna take my 3 pieces here, and I'm gonna fold them down like this so I can get a nice and tight grip on that edge, just like that. And then I'm gonna take this other piece, this other side, and fold it down just like that, so I have it nice and straight. All right, so then I'll just pull that out of the way. This is not important, but now that I have it nice and straight, I'm gonna take 2 more pieces or 1 more piece and just wrap around the full length of it, just like this. Make sure I have that nice and straight. Put it across the wood just like that. All right, make sure I still have it nice and straight. Tape it down, just like that. All right, so now they're essentially one piece together like this, and I can make 1 cut and trim it off. So I'm gonna take it over to the miter saw, and let's watch it happen. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna line this up with my cut, or I need to cut it like that. And then I'm gonna trim all 3 pieces. Here we go. All 3 pieces are trimmed. And I'll take it back over and take the tape off. Okay, so we've got the cut made. I'm gonna take the tape off. It's like this. That off. Pull that off. And there you go. Now I have 3 exactly the same size pieces that I have cut with 1 cut. And I will do that with, depending on the wood, several pieces together. If I need to make cuts for each one, I will just take it and cut the whole thing just like that. Quick tip, and it makes things go a lot faster. God bless.